Welcome to LSP Surprise Planet. Subscribe. Well, hello everyone. It is JJ here speaking. Welcome to my channel, LSP Surprise Planet. Today we will be learning how to make a DIY studio for JJSmith. Let's get started. Okay everyone, so I used some wallpaper for this project.
Exactly these two, and if you want to use them, the link is in the description box down below.
But anyway, we have the little pieces that I cut out. So first, let's build the main room. Put the hot glue. Be careful with the hot glue because it's hot. Always use adult supervision just to be safe. Okay, let's get the door. Put some secureness on there and hot glue it. Okay, so then we build the next room, which is, I call it the purple room, basically the storage room or the supply room where JJ gets her stuff. And let's just get the outer wall. There we go.
So this is a giant activity pad. Link is in the description box down below.
So in real life, this is how the activity pad looks like. And let's go ahead and put posters. So I'll put one there and the other there with a little heart. And two more over there. Here we go. And now I'm just putting some double-sided tape so that way it'll stick. Now making a little door handle by some glue. And I am now painting it. There we go. Okay, so I have created my own posters. Let's take this one out. Very cute. The next one, which I use for my channel banner, and the third one, which I recently created, which is really cute, especially because of the icon. Now I'm going to use double-sided tape to make it stick. There we go. To apply them on there, and now we're going to be sticking them to the wall. There we go. I'll change it. Okay, so here's the final result of the posters. What do you think about it? Do you like it? Okay everyone, it is furniture time, so we have all of these little accessories and furniture that we will be putting up. There you go, we have the set and the keys and the boxes and everything. Let's put the room together. Okay everyone, so we have completed the look of the studio. What do you think? What is your favorite part? Doesn't it look just so cute, by the way? I know, right? Everything's so glittery and so JJ style. Okay everyone, so that is the end of this DIY video. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Remember to like this video, share it, and subscribe to LOL Surprise Planet. I hope you have fun making your own DIY studio for your doll. And remember, you can customize it. Okay, JJSmith signing out. Goodbye.